What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome back to my kitchen. Yes, today, dirty rice my way. And it's my way because it's missing a couple of things, but I have to make it the way we make it here so that my kids can, eat it. I don't want to make something, add something, then they like, Mom, we don't like that. And then I make it, and then no, there's no one here to eat it. So before we get started with dirty rice, as far as the meats, the way I do it, I use ground beef, and I do like putting in a little bit of chicken liver. I have done it in the past. They ate it.
Sorry.
Yeah, he goes. I've done it in the past, and they ate it. But since Deron was sitting around with me when I said what I was going to make and what went in it, he swear up and down he don't eat chicken liver. So guys, this has no chicken livers, or no chicken gizzards. This is a straight dirty rice with just some ground beef only, because gotta feed the family. I gotta let them eat the food. But if you have no problem with chicken liver is really strong. The flavor is really intense. So when you do make it with your ground beef, I'm making a small. This is less than 2 pounds right here. This is about 2 pounds of ground beef I got on this stove cooking right here, you guys. And so with that being said, chicken liver, they come in pieces. I would say use about 4 chicken livers, maybe 5. Chop them up, and then once your ground beef start getting done, throw them in with your ground beef, and you could cook it all together. You could cook it separate, or cook it together along with the ground beef. But I would cook it separate. Cook my chicken liver, chop it up, cook it separate, scramble it in the pan with a little bit of olive oil, set it to the side. Then make my ground beef, drain the grease off the ground beef, then add in your chicken livers. That's the way I would do it. Again, I'm using straight ground beef. I got my Trinity here. You over here? Oh, come over here.
Oh.
I have my Trinity, which is green peppers, onions, and celery. I had some curly parsley. I'm gonna stick with what I had because I used it yesterday. Had some chicken broth, some black pepper. I have some Tony's Creole seasoning right here. A little bit onion powder, a little bit garlic powder, onion powder, garlic powder. This stuff is sitting up there. Okay, and you need rice. I use long grain rice. You can use a jasmine rice, a long grain rice. I'm using long grain rice, and I gotta turn it down because look right here. Why that water brown? I didn't know water brown. Chicken broth.
Chicken broth.
I had 2 cups of water, 2 cups of chicken broth, and a cup and a half of long grain rice boiling, cooking, because I want to help give my rice some flavor. I don't have to add the paprika in for color. That chicken broth will help give that right flavor. It will turn the color from white just a tad bit brown. So with that being said, let's make some dirty rice my way. Your family will love this. Okay, right now I have my ground beef in the stove over here cooking. When it comes to seasoning, do it your way. You always have to taste. This is the Creole. The Creole seasoning, whatever you want to call it, you know what it is. And taste your meat, taste your stuff. That way you'll know and what you work with as far as seasoning. That's garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder. Even though I got onions and stuff, I still have to use it. And we're going to cook this. I'm going to cook this ground beef, and I'm going to drain the grease off of it. Then add in my Trinity.
Is it cooking?
Yeah, it's cooking. This is a thick pan. And I like this pan, so I decided to use this pan. And I didn't put too much seasoning, so I will be adding a little bit more. This is very lean. I got a real lean ground beef, so it's not gonna have but so much grease. But I'm still, whatever grease it does produce, I'm gonna drain that off. high. I'm just letting it cook. Just gonna let it cook. And we be back when this ground beef is done. The rice doing what it needs to do.
The rice in there already?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Oh, I gotta stand up. Like that girl be leaning down in between takes. Okay, we be right back. Okay, so squad, we are back. Look, my rice is done. And I'm about to turn it off. I'm gonna pull the water off this. Let me go pull the water off my rice. My burger is done.
It smells good.
Smells good, right? This burger meat is so lean that I didn't even have to dump any grease off whatsoever. So yeah, thank you, Brandon. I'm going in with my Trinity, my onions. This is just 2 onion stalks, a half a green pepper, and a medium onion. My kids love that. So I'm going in with that. And let me turn this down a little bit. Put some of my curly parsley flakes up in there. Yes, she did. And about 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. Not teaspoon, tablespoon. So yes, you put in a little bit. Just to make it moist. That's all. And at this point, if you had the chicken liver, you will want to place it in here with everything else and just stir with a couple of teaspoons of that chicken broth to see how just to juice up that hamburger and make that hamburger a little juicy. Yes. I'm going in, I'm gonna let it just simmer. Turn the stove up a little bit. And I'm gonna let me taste my meat. I'm just more seasoning. Again, because this spot is all on you. A little bit of pepper. Now the flavors are there. Season it to your taste. Again. I'm just gonna let it marinate a little bit before I put my rice in there. You see, I didn't cook my onions and green peppers. I didn't cook those first. Look, I sound like I'm making a church bell ring.
I know it do something.
Guys, I'm gonna put the top on here. Get a little bit more so this is 3 tablespoons of chicken broth I put in here. I'm going to place the top on here for a few seconds on a medium heat. And then I'm going to add in the rice and we're going to plate. Come back. About 5 minutes. That's it. Okay. Guys, it's been 5 minutes. I took the top off of there. Look at the juice from the chicken stock. Made that hamburger nice and juicy. Bring life to it. Going in with my rice. My rice is not sticky whatsoever. Let's get it all. And I drained the starch off. Some people might rinse their rice off. I don't rinse it, but I do drain it. I don't let it cook all the way down outside the with the water, because that's where a lot of that starch be at. God, this is my dirty rice. And I'm making a mess because I'm stirring it up. Trying to get it together. But it smells amazing. Again, if you like chicken liver, do about 4 pieces. Chop it up, cook it, set it to the side, cook your hamburger, then mix it all up with this. It gives it a different taste. You know, it'll amp that flavor up. But my kids don't like the chicken liver in theirs. So I make it this way for them. Yeah. If you still want to, you can add just a little bit of paprika. Paprika is nothing but color. To me, it don't even have a flavor. Since I use that chicken broth, I think it has just the right amount of color. that I want, that I'm looking for. The green peppers and the onion. Man, you can make this with some fried chicken. And I made a mess right there. About to turn the stove off. Getting a piece of my broccoli. Piece of my my parsley over here. And just
She said broccoli.
yeah, it's so curly. So this is my dirty rice. SoulfulT style. Like, share, subscribe, you guys. And can we say 200,000? Yay! I love my Soul Squad. Thanks for making this possible. Guys, dirty rice my way. Your family will love it. Eggs. My roasted corn. Oh my God. It smells so good. Guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and we're almost at 200,000.